Okay, so we are going to have a new chapter, that is chapter 2, whole numbers. Now the first page will be the same as what I have explained to you in the first chapter. That means only the introduction. Whole numbers. What are whole numbers? That you will come to know later on. Now representation on a number line. Then successor and predecessor. Successor means number plus 1, predecessor number minus 1. Properties of addition, properties of multiplication, then division and its properties, patterns in whole numbers. So knowing our numbers, that was our first chapter. After that we have upgraded ourselves with whole numbers, another term. Okay, so whole numbers, how to represent them on the number line, then successor and predecessor, and properties of all the 4 operations. Now we are going to find natural numbers. So natural numbers, what are they? 1, 2, 3, etc. These are otherwise called counting numbers. Okay, so it is represented by the letter n. So n equals 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. This etc means because I don't know what is the limit. Now number 0. Okay, 0, you don't know who has found out. Some says it is invention is done by Indian, that is Aryabhatta. Now there are certain controversies regarding the invention of 0. The number 0 in Arabs call it as cipher. Okay, and Indians call it as shunya. Now also we say this one in Hindi, it is shunya only. 0 means nothing, it stands for nothing. Okay, or nil, it's not there. That means if I got 5 toffees and I have given all the 5 toffees to my friend, means 5 minus 5, that is 0. Now I have got, after giving, I don't have anything. To represent that, 0 is used. Okay, now whole numbers. So that is chapter whole numbers. What are whole numbers? 0 plus natural numbers. Okay, because in the next year you will be learning something else. Then after that, as you update the world of numbers, 0 plus natural numbers, that means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Now my question is smallest whole number. Smallest whole number is 0, and largest whole number. Largest whole number is can't say, or else you will say that it is infinite. Okay, now regarding successor. Successor means number plus 1. That means if I say what is the successor of 5, the successor is 6 and predecessor is 5 minus 1, that is 4. So predecessor is the given number minus 1. Okay, number plus 1 and number minus 1. Now my question is predecessor of 1. Predecessor of 1 equals 1 minus 1, that is 0. So predecessor is 0. Successor of smallest 1 digit number. Successor of smallest natural number. Smallest natural number is 1. So successor is 1 plus 1, that is 2. So such kind of questions may arise, like 0 is the smallest natural number. Is it true or false? This is false, because natural number, the smallest one, is not 0, it is 1. Now next is successor of largest 1 digit number is smallest 2 digit number. It is true because largest one digit number is 9, successor is 1 plus 1, that is 10. 10 is the smallest 2 digit number. So such kind of questions will come, and representing on number line, that you will do it in the next class.